This is my kitchen table. My kitchen table needs a better finish. This is the video when I put it on a better finish. This video is inspired heavily by two of my favorite makers, Uyeda and Montgomery. I got the idea for the form for my table from Ben's kitchen table build for his shipping container house, while the idea to use laminate as a finish came from Mike's school bus build. I'll link both of their videos in the description below. Don't be dumb like me and stand on the laminate, because it will crack. Originally when I made the table, I sanded over the edges to break them down, so when it came time to glue the laminate to the table, there's a little gap between the edge and the laminate. When it came time to trim the laminate, I used a flush trim bit on my router. This way I could get as close of a profile to the table as I could.